Like, quarantine is killing me over here. I can't even lie, no cap, y'all. Like, I'm about to go crazy. And I'm about this close to making some babies because there's nothing else to do, sis. I mean, it's nothing else to do. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, we are going to be creating this number right here. I actually did this makeup look a few weeks ago when I went out before the world went crazy and we're before quarantine and all of that, you guys. So I am hoping that I can create this exact same makeup look that I had. I don't really know if I'm able to do it, but we gonna see. Let's jump into it. Sis, we're gonna go ahead and film because I am pressed about that makeup look. So if you guys just saw my Snapchat, if you are not following me on Snapchat, I will have it linked somewhere down here. Anyways, you guys, I went out that night and I created this bomb ass mermaid aqua baby straight from the islands. Like, sis, it was everything. It was simple to me, but it was everything. So I actually used so many makeup. No, I didn't. Let me stop lying. I actually used a lot of products that night. You guys know that I use different products when I'm filming these videos. I have different products. So I'm like, damn, what did I use? Because I'm trying to remember everything I used to the T, y'all, but I cannot remember everything I used down to the T. I can remember some things, but not all of it. Because, like, I'm really mad because I hope this makeup look turn out how it's supposed to be. So jumping into eyeshadow, I am using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. So the first shade we're going to dabble into, now I can kind of see the shades that I use, is this lime green shade right here. So I don't know if you guys would like for me to talk while doing my makeup, or if you guys would like separate girl talk videos. I have so much that I want to bring to you guys, so much different content. I actually want to start back vlogging very, very soon. It may not be the best quality like how I'm filming today, but it is going to be an okay quality because I don't want to buy any more equipment, especially not another camera, which is kind of an investment until I'm really real deal serious about like doing daily vlogs and vlogging for real. Like, sis, I don't have time to be wasting no money. It's crazy to me how I have gotten so used to filming and doing my eyeshadow from afar. Like, normally I had to be like, sis, I had to get in there to see what's going on, but now I'm like, I'm good, sis, we're good. So the next shade I'm going into is, where's she at? This shade right here. The next shade I'm going into is this seafoam greenish shade right here. So the next shade I'm going into is this blue shade right here. Then I'm just taking this clean brush just to blend the colors together, keeping that blue shade kind of low so we won't lose the green in this look. So next we're going to go ahead and cut the crease, and of course I am using my Wet n Wild concealer. And of course, I'm just taking my Airspun loose face powder and setting the concealer. So now that that is set, I'm going to go ahead back in with this aqua shade. And of course, I'm going to blend this concealer part and the shadow together. And when doing this portion right here, you definitely want to use light packing motion. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this shimmery shade right here, and I'm just going to focus this on my inner corner. Now here's the trick. I do not remember what shade I used for the middle. I really don't remember, y'all. I'm not even sure if that's what I use, but it's whatever. So I basically mixed this hunter kind of green shade and these two, this one together. So now that I've literally mixed something together to get something, I am just going to further blend these two outer shades together. So this is something like what I created. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up and apply my lashes, and I will be back. Hopping right into the face, I am using this CoverGirl True Blend Primer. And for foundation, I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation definitely has some coverage to it. I do not like a whole lot of coverage. I still like to see some skin, so just a little bit. And I'm using something different today. I'm using the Beauty Blender. Well, an e.l.f. sponge. I have really been loving this sponge. I was curious to try this foundation with, ooh sis, when you're trying to mess up the hair, you know what I'm saying? But I was curious to try this foundation with the sponge because I just think it may give it a more airbrush, a lighter finish to it for some odd reason. Girl, the coverage on this is just crazy. And I only used a tiny bit. And for concealer, I am using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And then for my setting powder, I'm going to be using the Derma Blend. So we're going to go ahead and snatch the nose real quick. And of course, I have switched over to using the L'Oreal Infallible powder. I said this was cocoa in my last video. Let me make sure, sis. Yeah, this is cocoa. And to set the face, I'm going to use a little bit of my Soft Focus powder. And to snatch the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe Glamour Bronze Bronzer in Phenom. They actually came out with some more shades in this bronzer. I am super excited, you guys. They have like some super dark shades. Like, I'm like, okay, Morphe, I see y'all. Bronzers for the girls. I see y'all, Morphe. And I actually ordered one that's a little bit darker than this one. It's called Leader. I'm super excited to be trying that out. And this one is still in that collection. They just repackaged it, I'm guessing, and just kept the same name and everything. But I'm super excited about that because I have fallen in love with bronzer. Like, it is literally everything. And I feel like that shade is going to be perfect for me. This one is perfect because I don't like that super harsh contour line. But I feel like as I start to tan, because sis was outside today, y'all, and it was hot as hell. But as I start to get my tan, I feel like I'm going to like the bronzer, the one in Leader, a lot more. So for blush, I'm just using my Saharian palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called B. So next I'm going to go ahead and spray my face, and I have basically depotted the Wet n Wild matte finishing spray. And because I'm going to use a loose highlighter today, I really do need to spray my face first. That just gave me a shower. So for loose highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild one, and this one is in Hustle and Glow. I gotta hurry up before the spray dries. I really like how gold this highlighter is. Like, This is everything. It goes along with the gold earrings and this whole look we got going on here, sis. That is beautiful. Before I move on to lips, I'm just going to go ahead and do something cute to my waterline. I did not do this when I actually did the makeup look, but I'm wanting to do it today. So I'm going to go ahead and add just some white eyeliner to my lower lash line, just to make the eyes pop even more. So I was feeling this whole number. Like normally I would just reciprocate whatever's on top on the bottom, but honey, I'm kind of feeling this. Like it really just opens up the eyes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some black mascara. And that's going to also help calm it down too, so it won't be like, you know, super crazy. But for some reason when I use the nudes, they don't give me what I need, honey. And then I'm just going to apply some to my natural lashes. So moving on to the lips, I already have like some moisturizer on my lips. I'm using MAC Cork just to line my lips. And I hope y'all got y'all some of these MAC lip liners when they were on sale Monday at Ulta for the 21 Days of Beauty, honey. Because I got like 2 or 3 of them, honey. For my lipstick, I do remember the lipstick that I used, you guys, because I went out and of course I was reapplying it. So I barely almost remembered the lipstick, but I got it. This is the Anastasia MAC lipstick in Soft Touch. And this is just Lorax lip gloss in Sex Symbol. So this is pretty much the final and finished look. If you guys have been enjoying my makeup looks, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I know I've only did 2, but you know, still give me a big thumbs up. And if you like this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. I am so crazy. Anyways, remember to be blessed, stay healthy, and stay safe. And I will see you guys in my next video.